Eastbourne. We're right to Eastbourne, another train heading, and just waiting down to the loo, then get going. Hey, that's over there. Right, Eastbourne Station, as you can see. Here they are. Hey, we're now walking down to the beach. That's good, isn't it, down over here? Yeah. It's sunny Eastbourne. It's warm and sunny. Yeah. That's very good. I think down age. Hey, there's the tea. Do you want to go on the tea today or should we go on it tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
I'll do it tomorrow, yeah. They're going on the stalls today. I'll take the to here. Oh, the little ducky in the red, we should get one, only joking. Here we are, press the what's it. Well, it's hardly any traffic coming. No traffic coming. Yeah. Here we are, Eastbourne. The exhaust is very Eastbourne-y. Eastbourne tier, let's take the to here. Wow, palm trees. Wow, that's a tier. That's cool, isn't it? Look at that. I think Eastbourne age. And down it is there. Yep. Hello.
Let me do a video.
There's the seafront.
It's not to get busy now.
And all the stalls are not open yet, so we're going to walk to the Wish Tower first, then have a look. Got plenty of time, that's good, isn't it? Have a look at all the stalls afterwards. We can settle down then, put our stuff around. And then go to the Wish Tower here. There's an epic diamond age. Wow. Eastbourne there. These are things. We're Eastbourne. Is it bouncy castle things? Of course, the kiddies, that's good. There's the Bush Tower. It's not the sticky fight, that's a bit further down. There's all the stalls, not yet. Well, those still are early, but there you go. Yay! That's what's here, behind the big TV. We're here. Yeah, yay, we're here to show Sandy and everybody. Here we are, right in front of the Wish Tower thing now. It's really cool. Outside the nice ice cream. Yeah. Did that over there. I think it's an area like that, like the touch rolling. I think Darren age.
Marky.
I had an ice cream. What do you think about that?
Yeah.
Too early to Darren, though.
Yeah, too early to do that.
Oh, I love ice cream. All times of the day, all night, and all times of the year, even midwinter. Yeah. With some thingamajig, and there's a seagull over there. It's running away. There's Neil. I read round the lotto sucks and I got on lotto. Yay! It's very ready. Ready for £5. Nice. Now the house 25, that was fun by the way. Darren Duck. Quack. Katie. Look at Darren, he's so funny. Yay! So funny. I got sued in. Hey, that's Darren. He's really cool. Best friends in the world. Yay! I'm Mark, he's Darren. Yay!
Bye.
Yay! Cool. Child accident. So yeah. Nice thing you do. There might be something over there actually. I think there's someone on the other edge of the hill. To drink this. Ah, it's very hot as you can see. Let's go over here and look. And all the flying stars, it's 10 to 12 now. We'll have a little look around. Down to right back there. There we're at Eastbourne. It's 30 degrees Celsius, so it's nothing to study. It's really good. Over there. You can always doors behind these nice little palm trees. Wow. Oh yeah, there's the stools here. Oh, so to see there's the helicopter there. Look what I think. Yay. Yes, a black cat circulating. Aviation merchandise and more models. This is a jet coffee apparently. That's quite cool, I like that. There's a tank. Oh no good, it's a big tank. I go walk around in a nice round window. That's a little sweetie selling machine thing. I like that playing. Ice cream stand. That's what I like. That's food over there actually. Ah, that's cool. Big heavy yellow van thing. Wow. It's a nice view. On the thingy. Let's walk around, that's a picture. Oh, let's Some arty things. That's cool. What did they go to do actually? Wow. That's cool. There's a little bit about it. Got a place to make a thing. Wow. Whirlpool signals. That's cool. More arty things. Wow, what's it here? Something. Big tents there. Information thing. Oh, I'll give them the free take or something. Oh, I don't know. Giant bouncy castle, which I won't go in. Yeah, so I don't get old bouncy castles. You know, it's wrong really, but still. If those were the least seductive, I guess, but don't want to go over that, of course. Yay! This was the sale there. What's over here? I just stop filming it because there's a lot of people. And there's one of those lock ones. That's cool. Guess it wouldn't be the real thing. There's a lot of people around here, so I'd go to just take pictures. Big silk 3Ds as well, that's cool. Oh, that's one of those old ice cream car things.
I see we just have one little technical plug not put in entirely our problem here in the box.
Oh, that's a lounge, so let it go there.
Warm welcome to you this afternoon.
I love this ice cream digit stand. That's cool. That's cool. Look at the little mock-up of this little plate too.
Very, very careful putting up. I see lots of umbrellas and
I'll go back there later right there in a second. Go look around some more stores. I've got some freebies too. Looking all around the stores, now I gotta look up here. Because this is an epic view from the Wish Tower. That's the Wish Tower over here. The view from here is pretty epic. That's the Wish Tower. Wow. I'll go around there, quite see the view. Let's go down here gently. Hold on to the things, you go down here. So this is the actual Wish Tower. We'll get it and explore while I've got time. That flight just starts at once there. Look at that. This is the Peace Garden. That's nice. Wow. This is the Peace Garden. Don't think you can go in. Look at this. There's a little thing there. There's a little bird. Hello. He's hungry. He's doing something maybe. I can't go in. I don't think you can. It's the Wish Tower. It's cool. Let's do about it. Hello. Are you allowed it now? Not allowed it there?
Not today, no.
Oh, that's alright. I just wondered because I saw someone go here.
Yeah, that's for the film cameras at the moment.
Oh, that's really cool. It looks a lovely place. Oh, I had a good day, sir.
Oh, you too.
Oh, hello, little dog. Hello. Hi. Hello. Oh, that's cute. I think it's go, so I thought, walk around this garden. I think there's a way out this way, so I'll go that way. There's something else. This is the Wish Tower. I go this way. Oh, this is the view, I think. Welcome to the Peace Garden. And that's what it is. Wish Tower. Wow. I'm going to look for here, see if I can get a view. Wow, look at this epic view. This is a good view. Of where? Oh, this way. Wow. Oh, I can't go that way. That's good. Look at that now. See if we can see Darren from there. There's epic damage. I think we're sitting over there, aren't we?
Take off your perfect next car and cabin you can. Visit cabin.co.uk today.
We're over. There's Darren.
Some of the catching up over coffee. Others
There's
all
Darren
about
H.
making memories with the family. At the beacon, you can simply talk.
We started epic Darren
Discover your
H.
favourite brands.
That's good, isn't it?
Enjoy delicious food. Chat.
Hey, got an ice cream now. Got to go another ice cream. To go get some water. That's good, isn't it? Yay. I thought this, Darren, look, duck, a helicopter duck. Whack, 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 whack. Hello. There's
Any more like that? It's a remark of about ducks.
whack,
It's duck, yes.
whack, whack, whack. There's Sandy, hello. Sandy's really cool. Yes. Wow. It's a Brook Toots doing this display. Wow. I'd love to do that. It'd be quite fun.
Previously a senior officer whilst on regular service, serving a trial tour of the commandant
He's going towards me.
back in the order. During his 30 year career, the man will over 5,000 flight hours in 10 aircraft models. Picking out rolling wheelies, turn the aircraft 180 degrees. You'll notice throughout this display that every wing is slightly different. So different wing positions. And begin slow roll. Slow roll with steel coordinating elevator rudder and ailer on it. Picking up again for another fuel turn to the left now, different angle. In this spare time, Richard, the key instructor and a mountain in the air. Initially, you'll observe the first half of the lift up
That's good. That's good. Mr. DJ. Mr. Darren.
primarily flying university airport.
Very good.
And alright like that.
With our place. Oh, yes.
So 13 air experience flight from
Epic airplaneage.
20,000 cadets a year on good flight.
That's good. Mustang. Wow, that's epic airplaneage. Typically, epic airplaneage, epic Mustang. They still thinking here. He's been hiding. Wow, it's so that's busy here today. And there's Sandy. Aaron. There he is, there's a little plane.
Doing well, with a bit better.
Wow, that's cool. We don't play, you see. So this here, show this, so basically doing it. That's the hero over there, you know, looking like a deer. Yeah. The aeroplane was got more sight in it. There it is. Get that second off it, just can look good. I still get that look successful. That's cool. That takes an off it just now. Yeah.
Me and Mark had our element.
We saw the yay! Dandy! You too, the. Cliff loose! Wow. Look at them, they're so cool. We'll fly fleas, we'll fly fleas, there you go. They're lovely. Wow, look at that. Wow. Wow, they're so amazing doing that. Wow, look at that. Oh, they're so good at that. Years of practice, of course. Ooh, that's close. Yeah. There he goes. This is the video. Wow. The fireflies, yay! Yay! Seagulls. Wow. Awesome. Look at that. That's a Yay! That's a Dakota DNF stiff lighting. Wow. Wow, that's cool. Wow. Actually, you got the singers. Wow, what a lucky day. We love the Eastbourne Airshow, so thank you. now. Hey. Goodwood's coming. Harold Blakeslee's in next. Rich Goodwood's in next. Hey, here's Jet Pitts. He's here. Wow. Epic Rich Goodwood, you're amazing. Wow, so cool. Wow. A couple of minutes enjoying that then I'll take it just up the speed. Look at the seagulls. Wow, so cool. Wow. Switch good, we got the hats. Here down now, we're taking some good photos and he's still performing well. There he is. Where'd he go? There he is. Got the stump formation. Wow, how cool is that? There they are. That way, that way. Go, that's the way. Anyway. Yeah, there you go. Wow, so cool. Wow, look how cool that is. Oh, wow. There's Devin, and there's Living. Hello, Sandy. Hello, wave, you're on YouTube. Oh, there you go, there's some more planes there. Nice to see. Wow. If you like planes, then go check this out soon. And now I got a nice cool drink. Plus we got beef. We're walking now, we saw that showing yesterday, you know. That's very cool. Oh, young Wheeler. There it is! That's the wig walker. I got this.
Well, the receptionist is so lovely. I'm sorry.
Very good. Wow. I wouldn't mind trying that out. That looks quite fun, actually. Wow. That's the tip we saw yesterday. Wow. They showed them show how the cheese ski. That plague's like 8 points up. It's amazing. Pretty good, they went that way. Wow, what a nice day. 100. I can get the camera out with some pickies. Like a helicopter now, we saw that at Shoreham. Look at that. There's his plane. That's amazing. And there was helicopter because it's contract that this one was.
And the high court. A variety of broad age vessels and 85 day vessels. Six returns, 85 qualified reserve instructor and squadron operations officer. And our head of engineering, Chief Petty Officer Nick Cullen.
That's cool.
So Nick joined the Royal Navy in 1990. Served worldwide Sea Harriers, 801 and 800 Naval Air Squadron, before moving on to instructional roles to make deployed sleeping operations in Afghanistan. For more information, transition to Market Maritime Board, served senior maintenance range of 85 Naval Air Squadron. To be deployed to the UAE, shipping straight to the League, he later returned to 85 Naval Air Squadron from the lead engineer to the Royal Navy Latin.
Well, helicopters now. Yes. Wow, epic helicopterage. Looks looking at you. Wow, that's cool. It's a towering thing it does. Epic helicopterage. Hey, that's checking the toes. I got my third ice cream there. I got down 1, 2. Yay, ice cream age. Epic ice cream age. That's good, isn't it? For you. That's the way. Wow. That'd be good there. Wow. Wow, so cool. Wow, that's cool. Oh, there it is. Radio. I love such a did. Ow. There you go. There you go. I'll be still quiet. Wow, that's cool. Got that loading edge. Take some pictures now. Look at that. The Sadie D is next. She's a mighty fine plane. Haven't seen her for a while. No, this one's instead of the red arrows because they could get that all there every time. What is play? Wow, how cool. There's 2 more planes, then it's all done. Yay. A brilliant day. Wow. Okay, let's go take some more photos. Let's go get another video of that one. That's epic. Wow, so cool. Wow, that's so cool. Wow, that's iconic, really, isn't it? Is that the down age? Yay! Look at that down, just doing the smoke thing. It's doing the pretending to edges of out thing. Wow. It's a sunny day bomber, the B-17. Seagull, seagull, seagull. There it is. They were so quick. Wow. Yay. Nothing niggage. It's a nig. Wow, let's go out there. Let's go right over there. Into the sky. Yeah. Let's go that way there. It's too cold, isn't it? I lost touch there for that, so there you go. I got lost touch. Oh, there it is. Wow. I still too fast to film, so I'm going to go check pictures. Look at that, that's epic. Got fire gun there still. That's not all, of course. Typhoon's coming. He's going low quite quickly. Typhoon's coming. Typhoon's coming, Darren. Wow. We want Typhoon. We want Typhoon. Yes, we do. Oh, there he is. Oh, that's a seagull. Anyway. Oh, at the Sea College. Yay! Here comes the epic Typhoon each.
Okay, for a moment, Typhoon. Reach ahead.
When he's doing it a bit slow, I can feel it. We got Typhoon, you see. And the sound of the Typhoon when I go. How cool is that? Ah, there you go. Yay, wait girls, it's Sandy and Libby and Darren. It is well go to a concert thing of that. So me and Sandy and Darren will go have some food. Yay! Look at you, going that way. There's a happy Typhoon, you see.
Because we have a different castle.
Yay! Epic everything each! Yay! 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 Yay!